Okay, so I have here a Mercedes CLS 550. Now this is one of the newer body styles. I'll do a quick walk around. I'm sorry, CLS 400. This is a newer one. Let's see what year it is. A 15. Looks like it's a 2015. Has a Designo interior, beautiful. Alcantara headliner, trimmed. Nice. Just like that suede. We call it Alcantara, okay? Some people call it suede, but it's not real suede. Suede is leather. It's Alcantara. Beautiful. Mercedes uses it on all their Designo packages. Very beautiful, very beautiful. He wanted the front grille replaced with an aftermarket one like the GT style. That's this grille right here. The original grille is this one. Now this is the second one that I've done. This is a lot of work. As you can see, the front bumper has to be removed. This is not lightweight work. It is time consuming. To remove that bumper, there's a lot of stuff that you have to remove. Of course, you have to pop this cover off. There's 2 push pins connected here. And there is something else holding it down. Can't remember now. Let me see. Oh yeah, 2 clips. Clip here, or 3 clips. Clip here, and the push pins. And then you have these intake air vent things right here that have to be removed out the way so that this can be pulled back. What is the purpose of that? You know, that gives you access to these right here. You have to push in with a flathead screwdriver, a wide one, these release clips across the front that allows you to pop the front off, the front part, or the grille, which is connected to the bumper. They're not 2 pieces. The surrounding part of the grille is connected to the front bumper, so the whole bumper has to come off. You also have to get up under here. You have to get up under the wheel well. There's 2 screws that have to be removed. You get access to it by pulling this back, and it's right up in here. Of course, it's removed, but there's 2 screws that run up in there with the star bits. Get up underneath the car. You have to remove the panel right here, the splash guard up underneath. There's a whole bunch of 8mm screws here, and there's some more over here. Those have to be removed. There's a couple plugs. This plug right here. There's another plug on the other side, which is the climate, the temperature sensor. And this right here, which illuminates the center of the grille. The bumper has to be removed, guys. There's a couple little things here, tension spring things that it latches onto that you have to detach it from. It can take 2 people. One person can do it very carefully. Pull it out, remove the bumper, put it off to the side. Don't scratch it up. Now, removal of this grille is not easy. What do I have here in my hand? These are cut-up credit cards. These cut-up credit cards have to be wedged into here. Each of these things, these clips, have to be pushed back with a flathead screwdriver and then kept back by inserting one of these little pieces here to keep it from re-clipping or re-locking. You have to do that on all those. Some of these are fragile, hard to push back. Some of them will snap or break loose. As long as you have 90% of them in place, you're fine. So I'll remove those or push them back, insert these, remove the front grille, pull it towards me, and then remove the center illuminated Mercedes emblem, install that onto the new one, and then reapply everything or reinstall everything, and then put this thing back on this car. It's a lot of work, man, for a grill. I've never, ever, ever had to do all this for any other Mercedes that I've ever owned. It's so time consuming. I'm only charging them $300. I should have charged them $500. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. Okay, so the new grill is now installed. Like I said, it's a lot of work to do it. It's not easy. There you go. Looks good. Again, I had to use all these little things right here. And how many do you need? Well, I took 2 cards, cut them up, and I still was short a little bit. But they have to go under each and every one of these. Every single one. And it's a very tight, snug fit. You have to pop those out systematically. Now this piece right here, you have to remove the front chrome piece first. And that's held on by tabs. Be careful so you don't break them. And then you have to twist this and then remove it from the front. It turns, you have to, let me see, there's like 1, 2, 3 things that you have to decompress or press or push down and then twist it, and then it pops out the front. So now let me go ahead and reassemble this thing. And here you go, finished product. Oh goodness. Okay, here we go. It is done. Looks good. Definitely looks good. Definitely looks good. Looks really good. Looks good. So once again, as a summary, guys, it's a lot of work to do this. It's not a quick job. It doesn't happen easily. Make sure that you know what you're doing, or that you pay somebody who knows what they're doing. It definitely changes the look of it, gives it a unique look. I'm always for customization. I just don't know why Mercedes made this one so difficult. But it's a beautiful car. It's definitely worth it. Looks good.